adventure. One Rewards makes sense if you want to earn straightforward travel rewards on your everyday spending. With no confusing bonus categories and no foreign transaction fees, you can focus on earning miles for your next trip. Capital One Saver Cash. Rewards, credit card. Best for everyday cash back. Annual fee $0. Welcome offer. Earn $200. Cashback after spending $500 on purchases in the first 3 months. Introductory APR 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for 15 months. Then variable 19.24% to 29.24%. APR purchase. APR 19.24% to 29.24% variable rewards rate. 8% cashback on Capital One. Entertainment purchases 5% cashback on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One. Travel 3% cashback on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and at grocery stores, excluding superstores like Walmart and Target. 1% cashback on all other purchases. Benefits. Get a 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months. 19.24% to 29.24% variable APR after that. No foreign transaction fees. Why we like it? The Capital One Saver Cash Rewards is one of the best credit cards for everyday earning because of its excellent rewards rate. With uncapped and elevated 3% rates in multiple categories, you can earn high amounts of cash back on purchases you're already making, including groceries. As an added bonus for travelers, this card doesn't charge foreign transaction fees. Blue Cash Everyday Card from American Express. Best overall. Rates and fees, terms apply. Annual fee $0. Welcome offer. Earn a $200 statement credit after spending $2,000 within the first 6 months. Introductory balance transfer. APR 0% on balance transfers for 6 months. 15 months. Ongoing balance. Transfer. APR 20.24% to 29.24%. Variable. Introductory purchases. APR 0% on purchases for 15 months. Ongoing purchases. APR 20.24% to 29.24%. Variable recommended credit score. Excellent. Good rewards. Rate 3%